Hi guys, I am back for another video. Welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, it's going to be a little bit different from my other videos. My other videos have mostly been beauty product reviews. And on this video, I wanted to show you some of my favorite products. So it'll be mixed in between skincare and some of my makeup cosmetic products. So if you want to hear more about it, then stay tuned. So I thought I'd kind of show you some of the products I use, like from the moment that I take off my makeup to the moment I kind of prep for bed, and then some of the stuff that I put on as I wake up and start the day. So when I'm going to bed, I always take off my makeup, and my most favorite makeup remover is an Estee Lauder product, and it's this one here. It's called Takeaway. And I've used makeup wipes removers, and I really don't like them, and I haven't used them in a long time, simply because for me, I'm at that age where I need to start trying to take care of my skin, not pull on it, and I found myself that with wipes, you know, I'm pulling my skin, and I really didn't want to do that. And I came across this product, and I've been using this already for about 2 years. And actually, so I've gone through some of the sample size, which are about this big, through a couple of those, and then I just decided to buy the bigger size one. But I've been liking this simply because all you need to do is just pump it a bit on your hands like this, and then just wipe it. And it does have a little bit of like some oil base, but very light. And I think that that's what's really gets rid of the makeup like right away. And I mean, it almost like melts it away, and it smells good, and it feels really soft. Almost feels like a lotion, very soft lotion. And I don't find myself pulling on my skin. It's just so slippery, and I can immediately kind of see the makeup coming off immediately. So the next thing I do is I exfoliate, and I use Dr. Brandt's Pore Dermabrasion exfoliator, and I came across this product through my BoxyCharm. I want to say maybe a little over a year ago when I did have it, and I've been buying it ever since, and I buy this at TJ Maxx whenever I see it. This, I found it really exfoliates really good. It leaves my skin feeling nice and clean, like it's able to breathe really good. Just, I mean, that just overall good feeling when you feel really clean. So I really like this a lot. So right after exfoliating, I use my cleansing foam. The cleansing foam I use is called Golden Snail. I'll show you there. It's called Golden Snail Intensing Cleansing Foam. So yeah, this does have a bit of slime from the snail. That's one of the ingredients in there. And I've been using this for the past 2 years. I really love it. When I came across this, I did some reviews on it. Many people were raving on it. They really, really liked it. And, you know, I did hear some good things about snail products on cosmetics. Has a lot of anti-aging properties, so that really helps. You know, for me, especially for anti-aging, I really, really like that. So I tried it and I liked it, and this is actually, I want to say, like my 4th tube now that I've been through. So I've been using this for quite a while, and a little bit goes a long way. I mean, I'll put about this much, and then I get about this much foam. Yeah, so it's, and it leaves your skin like squeaky clean, like really clean. Yeah, I really like it. And it does have some moisturizing properties, so it makes your skin feel soft, really good. So I would highly recommend this. And I got this at Hot Look, which is part of Nordstrom. I want to say it's almost, I think, like their outlet. So you might want to check it out if you're curious about this product. So I bought this at Hot Look. So then when I'm done with that, if you happen to have like eyeshadow or eye makeup, sometimes some of those makeups kind of stick around in little crannies on the inner corners. So then what I like to use is MAC's Cleanse Off Oil. This one here. See, I've been using it so much. I love this stuff. It's really gentle, soft, and it really, I don't find myself tugging around my eye or anything like that, which I really like, because that's the last thing I want to do is start tugging around my eye, which is like the most sensitive area. So I put a little bit of this and some cotton or cotton pad, and then I just start wiping very softly, and it starts all coming off, like melting off. So I use this like for areas like around the eye, or sometimes maybe around here, but yeah, just around those areas. And it's really, really good. I really like this. And of course I just get this at MACcosmetics.com, or get it from their stores. Next thing I do is okay, so I don't really use like a lotion moisturizer on my face, because my skin is sort of sensitive, and I've gone through several moisturizers and my skin is so sensitive. I mean, like it'll get red. If it's the wrong product, my face will turn up red the next day, the next morning, or it'll get red throughout the day. So what I found that has been working, and this is actually my second bottle that I've been through. This one is rose water and glycerin. Rose water and glycerin. And this really soothes, it really moisturizes. I feel like my skin, like I'm prepped for the day. And I really like it. And all I do as soon as I'm done, you know, cleansing off my eye area, and my face is dry, pat it dry, then I just, you know, just kind of spritz something like this all the way around, and that's it. And get a little fan and let it air dry, or yeah, just leave it on its own. So then the next thing, if it's like nighttime and I'm ready to go to bed, I'll use Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. It's this little jar, well, not little jar, this jar here. It's got these little nodules in there. And I love Estee Lauder products. I really do. I've been using Estee Lauder for, well, I want to say close to 5 years, for a long time. And this is how these little nodules look. They look like that. So it's got that that serum inside there. And so when I'm done, this is before, I mean, because I'll put this in the morning, not so much at night, but like when I'm done with this and I'm ready to put my anti-aging products at night, I'll break one of these little capsules here and just put it in the palm, and I'll just kind of rub it like that, and then I'll just pat it all over, and I just let it sit throughout the night. I go to bed, and there is something about these, but in the morning when I wake up, I kind of like do notice like my face looks like brighter, smoother, like cleaner, and I don't break out. I mean, I can tell. I mean, you yourself know your skin, so when you try a product and if you can tell the difference, then you know that the product is working. So this product works for me because I can tell, I can tell my skin looks brighter, kind of almost like a little bit more youthful, which I really like. And it makes me feel good inside when I see those kind of results. So I really like this. Yeah. All right, so let's move on to makeup now. So for makeup, again, it's Estee Lauder. I like using this one here called the Smoother. And this sort of helps diminish the appearance of pores. And I like it because it really does help give you a really smooth skin canvas. It just smooths it out really nice, and it helps prep your skin for the primer and the foundation. Now, this one here it's a primer. The next one that I put on is this one as well, and it's from Estee Lauder, and this one's called the Mattifier, and so it's also a primer. Now you can use this one just by itself along with your makeup, or you can use this one and then this one, which that's what I do. Is I'll use this, and then I'll put on my foundation. So it's like 3 in a row. So this one helps control shine, and of course it's the primer that's going to help the foundation stick throughout the day. So these are the two I use. And as far as for foundation, I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Maximum Coverage. Now, I'm a full coverage girl. I love full coverage. Once in a big while, I do like a CC cream because there's times where I don't want to put full coverage. I just want to put something light and be on the go. For that, I will use this one here. This is from Revolution Pro, and this is the CC Perfecting Foundation. So I did a review on this one. When I did the review, it was my first time trying this, and I really like it. The only thing is that I didn't pick the right shade. This is a little too light for me, but I don't feel like throwing it out because it's not my shade. I would feel very wasteful. So I'm just trying to use it up, try to finish it up. But yeah, this one is then the color F0.2, and I think the next one's going to be a 0.3. I think that's the next color, a bit darker, that I need. So whenever I want something light on the go, don't feel like really putting on a lot of makeup, I'll use this one, and I really like this one. This one will last between, I want to say, maybe 6 to 7 hours in my opinion. But then again, that's because I put my primer, and I do have a very good primer in my opinion, so I think, yeah, it just works out really good. So yeah, these Estee Lauder products, again, I've been using for a long time, and I've gone through 3 of these already, and I've gone to 2 of these already of each. Yeah, that's how much I like it. What else here? Oh, all right, so I do have, when I contour, I haven't used creams. I've been trying to finish what I have, and I've been using this blotting powder from MAC, and this one is in the shade Deep Dark. So I use this for contouring, and I'll show you. I'm almost done with it. Look at this. You see that? Yeah, it's great. It's such a great feeling when I'm really showing love to these products as I really like them. Yeah, it's such a good feeling. I love this. And I do have some other powders, contouring powders, And as soon as I'm done with this one, I'm going to go ahead and try on the other ones. And then hopefully when I'm done with those, I can come back to the same brand here, because I really like this one. Hopefully I'll like the other ones as well. I haven't touched those yet because I'm trying my hardest to stick to this one to finish it. Yeah. All right. And I got 2 more products left. And this is to tame and kind of frame my eyebrows. So I like to use NYX's Tame and Frame cream, and this one's in brunette. So I really like this. I think it's good quality. I like sort of like kind of framing my eyebrows first, and then I go in with this pencil from MAC. And I'll this one's called Spike. So it's a double-ended. So it's got a brush on this end, and then it's got the pencil on this other end. And this one's called Spiked. And so what I'll do is I'll frame my my eyebrows, and then I'll use this as sort of as a fill-in, like a filler. And that's what I've done here. It's sort of like framed them first, and then I filled them in. Alright, so yes, these are my absolute favorite base products that I love using, and I just keep buying and buying and buying over because I love them. Who knows, maybe you're looking for an alternative, maybe something isn't working for you. Maybe I might have given you insight to an alternative product. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and definitely click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And definitely give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon in a different video. Bye.